In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a segment in Customer.io. Let's dive right into the process and make sure you have all the tools and understanding you need to carry this out effortlessly. First, let's direct ourselves to the Segments area within your Customer.io workspace. Once you're in your workspace, navigate by heading over to Lists and Segments, then make your way to Segments. In some cases, you might see just Segments in the main menu, and that's perfectly fine. The goal here is to make our way to the primary section focused on managing segments so that we can effectively create and organize them. Once you're there, click on Create Segment. This is your starting point for setting up a new segment that will help you categorize your audience just the way you need. Next, you'll notice a couple of options regarding the type of segment you can create. It's important to choose the right one based on your needs. The two options you'll encounter are a data-driven segment and a manual segment. A data-driven segment is pretty special because it can automatically update its membership as individuals start to meet, or no longer meet, the conditions you've set. This is handy if you want a dynamic list that evolves over time based on specified criteria. On the other hand, a manual segment is a static list you build yourself. You'll add or remove people manually, or perhaps upload a predefined list using a CSV file. Choose which type best suits your organizational goals. Now, let's move on to an essential step: naming and describing your segment. It's key to enter a clear and concise name for your segment. A description is optional, but it's definitely worthwhile because it can help you and your team to easily identify and manage the segment later on. This becomes particularly useful when you're searching or filtering within your segments list, so don't skip it if it can add value. For those of you opting for a data-driven segment, the next task is defining the conditions. You'll want to specify the attributes or events that individuals in this segment must match. For example, you could set a condition such as attribute plan equals premium and event trial and ended equals true. This allows you to target users deeply based on their interaction with your service. You'll also need to decide if all the conditions must be true using the AND operator, or if meeting at least one condition allows someone to be included using the OR operator. If needed, you can even build complex logic with nested conditions, like combining multiple condition groups. Once you have your criteria set up, click Save to lock in your creation. It's worth noting that the initial membership of your segment might take some time to build, especially if you're handling a large volume of profiles or events. Patience here is key, and that's it. You now have your segment ready to be used for more targeted audience engagements. Remember, proper segmentation is a powerful tool for personalizing communication and enhancing user experience.